Welcome to Purple Griffon. Today, we want to tell you about our IT Masterclasses and Workshops. This is a way of cost-effectively gaining key skills and knowledge at an affordable price. Whether you're looking to solve complex IT problems, excel as an IT service delivery manager, smoothly navigate IT transitions, or learn to carry out root cause analysis, then we've got you covered. Our one-day masterclasses give you direct access to our subject matter experts. It's your chance to gain insights on adopting, adapting, and implementing the latest in IT best practices. You can also dive deeper with our 2-day workshops. Here, theory meets practice. You'll discuss various topics from different perspectives, turning abstract concepts into actionable strategies, plus the opportunity to learn from your peers through shared experiences. Our masterclasses and workshops can also be run either in person, on-site, or virtually for a single organisation, enabling us to tailor them to your specific needs. Our focus sessions are designed not just to educate you, but to empower you. With Purple Griffon, you're not just attending a course, you're joining a community of professionals committed to delivering quality IT services. For more information on our workshops and masterclasses, or to speak with a sales advisor on which course can help improve your IT services, then please take a look at the description below to contact us, or visit purplegriffon.com to find out more. We'll see you there.